Electric propulsion is the most efficient way to maneuver a spacecraft once it's in space.
Electric propulsion is the use of electricity to propel a spacecraft. This differs from normal chemical propulsion where you use chemical energy, heat, to move your spacecraft around.
The key purpose of an electric propulsion system on most satellites is to allow them to maintain their orbit, change orbit, or deorbit themselves safely so that they don't contribute to space debris. The kind that Pulsar develops, the Hall effect thruster, employs electric and magnetic fields to accelerate particles of gas to incredible exhaust velocities, about 10 kilometers per second or more.
That high exhaust velocity means that you save so much on propellant. So that 10 times higher exhaust velocity compared to chemical propulsion means that you have 10% of the amount of propellant you need to do the same mission compared to chemical propulsion. That's the reason why ion thrusters dominate space propulsion now. They're the most utilized type of propulsion now in space.
The electric propulsion marketplace is growing rapidly because the space sector is growing rapidly. And the number one cause for that is the sudden drop in launch costs. It just costs an order of magnitude less to put 1 kilogram into orbit than it used to.
The market for electric propulsion is growing hugely at the moment. It's now the dominant type of propulsion used in space. And this is a reflection of the huge growth in the space sector in terms of small satellites, but also medium and large satellites as well. And all of these are now using ion thrusters, all making use of that high performance and therefore that high efficiency.
Pulsar has put a huge amount of work into understanding the lifetime of a Hall effect thrust. We want our devices to last as long as they possibly can. Absolutely everything was designed in-house at Pulsar. We're delighted with the performance that we're seeing, we're delighted with the data, but the feedback and advice we've received from Southampton has allowed us to iterate our designs and move them on to the next level.